my Lord and my God. I want to say thank you for not giving up on me again. Thank you for everything that you have done for me until this point. And I want to say thank you for still believing in me. You haven't given up on me. Lord, help me not to give up on you either. Lord, I know my life is not perfect, and there are so many broken things in me, in my life that I need help with. For you to help me, Lord. I come to you because you're my Father, you're my Creator, you're my God, and I trust in you. Lord, I trust you. I trust you with my life, with everything that I am not. I know I'm not perfect, and there is many things broken in my life that I'm bleeding to you, and I want you to help me. I need your help, Lord. I need you every day. You wake me up every morning and you give me hope. You show me over and over again how much you care for me, and you love me, and you do. Lord, I need your help. I need your help where I am, where I live on earth. There's so many things broken in me and with me, or maybe not, but I feel like it, and I think like it. Lord, I want you to come into my heart, into my life, and help me with my situation, with everything that I am. I'll lay down my life at your feet, Lord. I know it's not perfect, but it's my life, and it is everything that I am. The Lord that laid down to you everything that I have. Help me, Lord. I believe in you, and I trust in you forever.